Rangers, and welcome to Ranger Ruby YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be packing up my set. Let's go ahead and dive right on in. Okay, now so for a little bit more explanation, my family is moving locations. We are moseying out of this great state that we currently live in, and that requires us to pack up everything, including this here set behind me. So in today's video, instead of just having the stark change of going from set to no set, I thought I'd take you through the process of packing everything away and say one last goodbye to this place that has been our home for nearly 2 years. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first step to packing up the set behind me is to get a box. This is the mess that goes on behind the scenes. All for you guys. For you. Boxes, check. Marker, check. Stickers, check. Tape gun, check. And paper, check. Okay, now so let's go ahead and get started, but first, I'm gonna need my glasses because I choose to see. Let's build this box. So we've got this here small box, and it is time to put everything inside of it. I'm going to start up here. I know this is a little out of camera focus with these two books. They're coffee table books, so they're very heavy. I have here the Roosevelts, an entire history, and a book on national parks. So it's going inside the box. And then I feel like the next step is to get rid of all these games that I have stored down here. So I've got Guess That Park, National Park War, National Park Jenga. I have just this random bag full of National Park memories. My Junior Ranger box, so that's where I keep my badges. My videotape collection, my Theodore Roosevelt box, a National Park puzzle, and National Parks awfully. Okay, so that took up a majority of the space, but there's still plenty left, and we're going to try and fit as much as we can inside here. So we're going to next do these books. Actually, I might want to do my YouTube channel binder first. We can still fit that in there, and then along with these books. We're going to try and fit these Theodore Roosevelt's books. Actually, we're going to lift this around. Hear my printer going off in the background. Somebody is trying to print something while I'm filming. I didn't even know I had these on my set. Okay. See? So this is some soap we got from Colonial Williamsburg. Fits right in there. Here we got this little bird whistle. Now for this, we are going to, okay, now this is becoming a vision problem. Wrap in some paper because it is fragile. Left, and I had to, in the process, take out the DVD set and Guess That Park, but they both fit right on top, so we can fit a few more things in. I'm going to put in my original passport. There's no need to carry this around. I don't use it anymore, so that can simply slide right there, along with the little stand that I used to keep it on the shelf. That fits perfectly right next to it. And we're going to pack up this little butterfly display that I got. It is very pretty, and it is of the Astro Mark II, and this was made in Peru. Now because this is glass, or at least breakable plastic, we're going to wrap this in paper. Okay, so I'm going to take you down here and show you what the situation we currently have in here, and I think we are going to need another box. So as you can see, packing is like a giant game of Tetris. We're trying to fill in as much as we possibly can inside this box. So we still have quite a bit of space right here. I think it's enough just to fit one mug comfortably, or maybe this little paperweight that I have. But other than that, we've got a couple of big things that I might try to squeeze in, but I think given all of this, we are going to need another box. Okay, now sorry about the weird angle and lighting, but we had to take a short pause because my camera ran out of battery. But we're back, we're fresh and new. I made a new box, packed up the old one, got some more stickers because I used one more box than I thought I would. We got ourselves some refuel, and I did take down all of the small items that were hanging on the wall. They're going to go in here, as well as this National Park puzzle that was in our puzzles to do pile, but I'd rather have it be on here with all my National Park stuff than with all the puzzles. So, sorry we never got to solve you, maybe one day. But let's get packing. Folders I used to hold all of my scripts. I've got 2 of them, and we are keeping those because I will still continue to make videos despite not having a set. They just won't be quite as clean as they originally were. So here we have National Park quarters. You're gonna go in here, and I'm afraid both of my National Park passports have to go in here. I don't think I'll be visiting any national parks between now and the next few weeks. So you're also going to be tucked away. And then we have a little bit of a problem. So here we have my National Park postcard collection, and as you can see, it's quite thick. And this isn't even all of it. But even more of a problem, we have my brochures collection. So I'm pretty sure that it'll fit perfectly in there, but if not, we're going to have to get a Ziploc baggie and put these in there. And these don't really fit in one Ziploc baggie, so let's hope they fit. And these are actually going to go inside this Ziploc baggie, full of other pamphlets, a special National Park commemorative dollar, some patches that I never put on, as well as some other trinkets that I've gotten over the years from national parks and just for my set in general. Well, that's the best we're going to be getting from that. Those are going to go in actually later. Oh, and one more. I change these out about every month onside this little clip, even though you guys don't see it. It's still something that I do just to keep up with my set. Oh, this, by the way, is from Voyagers National Park. So next I think I'm going to pack up this paperweight because it looks like it fits perfectly there. And because, again, it is fragile, we're going to be taking the most delicate care of it and wrapping it in paper. Okay, so we don't actually have that much left. We have this water bottle, this mug filled with a bunch of paper from previous videos that I never bothered to throw out or recycle. Then this book bookend, which is incredibly dusty because I don't clean it that often. Let's see if the Karens can fit in here. Karen, Karen Jr., Karen Sr., or Karen the Third actually. Plus some of these wall doodads. Perfect. So here, the last thing I think we have left, I'm not forgetting anything. We have this hat, which provides nice, I don't know, stuffing. And then we have this Junior Ranger hat, which sadly I do not think will fit inside this box. Yeah, no, that ain't happening. So because there is a little bit of space left, yet not much for any other things that I have around here that are ready to be packed yet, we're going to fill the remaining space with paper, and that will be it. So as you can see, most of the set fit into these two boxes, except for the hat. But look at that. You can see exactly where everything was, the mugs, the little picture, the little stand. Yeah, I don't really clean this that often. This set has been where Ranger Ruby has operated for nearly 2 years now. And sad to leave, but it's time to say goodbye. So it was nice knowing you. Again, I will still be producing videos, just not on this set, although I might take a week or two off when the move is actually happening.